guys? My name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. It's original Filipino music. It's called DALAGA by Allmo. So let's start. Alright, let's start. What are you doing? Okay, let's start. You're gonna go like this. 6, 7, and go 1. Look to your left. 1, 2, 3. Back on 4. Close on 5, 6, 7. Cross and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Look 3, 4, 5. Chest, 7, cross, and 8. One more time. A little bit faster this time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next for the second edge, you're gonna go lift this one and 1, change weight, 2, 3, 4. Then kick 5, drop 6, okay? Then 7, hug yourself, and 8. One more time from here. 7, 8, and 1, 2, away. 3, 4. Kick on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next from here, you're gonna change 1, 2. Away on 3, 4. Straight. 5 and 6. Ball change. You gotta look on 7. Drop on 8. One more time. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, away. 3, knee up. 5 and 6. Look 7. Drop on 8. Next, from here, you're gonna step your right to the back. 1, 2. Back on 3, 4. So your hands stay. Again, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Step on 5. Dip your left. 6, 7. Change weight. And 8. Again. 5, 6, 7. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step 7 and 8. Okay? Okay. Next, from here, you're gonna away. 1, 2. Side. 3. Left. 4 from here, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 6, 7, open, then freestyle. Okay, let's try again from here. So 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, up, 10, 7, and 8. Change away. 3 and 4. So that's longer. 3, 4, then walk, and 5, 6, and 7, open, 8, and go. All right, let's try everything from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, look. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, kick 5, 6, 7, hug 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, look, and 1, 2, 3, drop 5, up 7, 8, 1, 2, away, up 7, come 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, slow. Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and give love to these beautiful ladies on my back. And see you soon. Bye bye!